All right, hello. This video is going over number 13 from 6.4 day 1, and we just have to simplify this. So the first thing to realize is when it's power of a power like this, you want to multiply these exponents. Okay, so really I want to do x to the 2/3, and I want to multiply that with -3, which I'm just going to write as -3/1 to make it a fraction. All right, now it's just remembering fraction multiplication. So here, I'm going to multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Okay, and then I'm going to get x to the -3 power. No, yeah, I did this wrong. This should be 3 times 1. So there should be 3 here. And then this would be a -2. 6 divided by -3. Okay, and then from here, if you forgot how negative exponents work, it just means flip it. So basically that's going to be equivalent to 1 over x squared, right? You flip it and make the exponent positive. That is how to interpret a negative exponent. All right, so we end up with well, for me it's letter A, but whatever choice 1 over x squared is, that's the right answer for number 13. Thanks for watching.